of this building. It's just hanging out in the water there. Oh, down there. We're going right over that beach we were talking about. I think it's just like a resort.
I don't know where we are, but
Yeah, it's just a
like
big
Long Island
It's
is
just a resort. Well, it was a resort.
might just be
It's abandoned.
you have
Now
to
they're just
pay
using
to
the beach.
get on.
Shooting range. Yeah. I can't believe how many things are behind the backstop. Big cemetery. It's bigger than the golf course.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Delta's pleasure to welcome to New York for the local time is approximately 4:45. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. We ask that you please use caution when opening the overhead bins to prevent injury from any items that may have shifted during flight. You may now use your mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices, however laptop computers may not be used at this time. Before you leave the aircraft, please be sure to check your seat pockets, the overhead bins, and the floor area around your seat for any personal articles you may have brought on board. We invite you to visit Delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. On behalf of Delta Sky Team, our global partners, and especially this Boston-based crew, thank you for flying with us. We've enjoyed having you on board and look forward to the opportunity to serve you again soon. Thank you and have a very pleasant evening.